The floating Venice, a little Italy in Dubai. Imagine stepping into the charm of Venice, but instead of Italy, you're floating on the pristine waters of Dubai. The floating Venice is a luxury resort like no other, bringing you the romance and elegance of Italy's most iconic city right into the heart of the Arabian Gulf. It's a breathtaking blend of cultural immersion and modern innovation, offering you a unique getaway that's as enchanting as it is luxurious. This incredible floating resort is designed to mirror the essence of Venice, complete with gondolas, canals, and charming little walkways. Picture yourself gliding along the water in an authentic gondola, serenaded by opera singers as you pass under beautifully crafted bridges. The floating Venice isn't just a resort, it's an experience. With underwater suites that let you wake up to vibrant coral reefs and fish swimming by your window, every corner of this destination feels like a dream come to life. One of the most exciting features is its celebration of Italian culture. From authentic Venetian restaurants to bustling markets and live performances, you're surrounded by the flavors, sights, and sounds of Italy. Imagine indulging in freshly made pasta and gelato while watching a traditional masquerade show unfold right before your eyes. It's a sensory journey that transports you straight to the canals of Venice without ever leaving Dubai. The floating Venice is more than just a marvel of architecture. It's a symbol of Dubai's dedication to redefining luxury and creativity. It's where cutting-edge engineering meets timeless romance, creating a destination that's unforgettable in every way. Whether you're a lover of art, food, or just crave a magical escape, this floating masterpiece offers something truly special. It's a slice of Italy that feels right at home in the sparkling waters of the Gulf.